Hi! Hi everyone! How are you? This is Negin teacher. Yes, I'm so glad to see you. This is so good to be here with you. Oh, I know. I know you may miss your friends. You may miss your school, miss your teachers. But that's okay. We will see each other soon. But in this time, we have to stay at home. Okay, but we can have so much fun together. We can sing a song, we can learn new things, we can talk together, and we can have a lot of fun. I have somebody here to show you. This is my new friend. Since I cannot go outside, so I have a friend with me. You can bring one of your toys too. So you can sit next to me and have our circle time together. So go get your friends, make a circle, and let's start our circle time. Very good. Are you ready? Yay! Very good, very good, very good. So my friend's gonna sit here next to me. Sit, my little friend. Very good. Like a circle. Make a circle, make a circle, big and round, big and round. Very good, we have a big circle. I can see our friends. Hello everyone. Hello Bark. Hi Toprak. Hi Chala, I can see you. Hello Batuhan. Hello Elise. Oh, look at that other Elise. There are two Elise sitting next together. Hello Batuhan. How are you, baby? Oh, hello Beran. Hi Eran. Who's there? Alini Hat. How are you, Alini Hat? Hi Daphne. I can see you. And there's someone else there. Let me see. John Nazem, is that you? Hi, John Nazem. Murat, Zainab. It's good to see you all here. Very good. Now we have a big circle. Let's start our circle time. Very good. Now I have something here. I wrote the days of the week. As you see, we have 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's sing the song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them quiet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them loud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to stomp them out. Stomp your feet. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to clap them out. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like to sing them proud. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like it one more time. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days are in a week. I like it one more time. 7 days are in a week. I like it like just that. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap for everybody. Oh, look, I see Edis. Edis is also here. Hi, Edis. Very welcome, baby. Very nice. So now I am going to tell you about something that is happening right now. Have you ever looked at the window? Just check out the window. Tell me, how is the weather like today? How's the weather like? How's the weather like? How's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it windy or snow? How's the weather like? I'm sure it's not snowing because the weather is a bit hot. Oh, it's maybe sunny or maybe rainy. You can see the clouds in the sky, right? I know, because this is spring. Correct. We entered a new season. It calls spring. We have so many colorful things happening in the spring. Do you want to see? I made a painting for you so you can see the season of the year. Da-da-da-dum. So I have painted the 4 seasons. Do you know we have 4 seasons in a year? We have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Do you remember the song? There are 4 seasons happen in a year. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Very good. Yes, and they are all different. When this is spring, do you see what's happened? Can you tell me what you see? Yes, you can see flowers. You can see the clouds. You see the clouds here? Very fluffy clouds. And this is the sun. Oh, I love the rainbow about the spring. You can see so many rainbows in the spring. After the spring, here comes the summer. Well, in the summer, everywhere is so hot. We can go to the swimming pool. We can go to the sea. We can go to the picnic. And we can have so much fun because this is summer anymore. The sun is so hot and the weather is so hot. Don't forget your sunglasses. The next season is autumn. Correct, this is autumn season. In the autumn, it's always cloudy and it's always raining. Do you see the rain? And you see the trees, the leaves are falling. The colors are orange, yellow, red, brown. This is autumn season and the weather is a bit cold. Don't forget your jacket. The last season, I'm sure you like it. This is the winter season. Look, everywhere is snowy. And you can make a snowman. You can go outside and play snowball with your friends. Do you remember we played a lot? That was so fun. Yes, and because the weather is so cold, you have to have your hat, your scarf, your boots, but my snowman doesn't have a boot, and your jacket. Don't forget your jacket, okay? Because everywhere is snowing. But the winter finished. Now we are in the spring. Let's see what's happening in the spring. Are you ready? Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Maybe you can tell me, what do you see? You can tell me, what do you see in my painting? Da 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 da! Wow! What is here? There is a blue sky. There are clouds, fluffy clouds, a green land. Oh, look at the flowers. There are so many flowers. They are blooming, and I can hear that. Do you hear the rain? It's raining. Flowers like to have a shower sometimes. But very soon the sun is shining. And you know what will happen next? After the rain, when the sun is shining, here comes the... It's coming! It's coming! I'm sorry. It's coming. 1 minute. Not so late. Da 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 dum da da dum da da dum 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 da dum. Here it is. This is the rainbow. Wow, such a big rainbow. Can you make a big rainbow? Sure you can. How many colors are there in my rainbow? Let's see. Red, orange, yellow, green. Very good. If you know the colors, just tell me. Blue, purple, pink. Good job. You know the colors. And you know there are 7 colors. 7 colors of the rainbow. So this is what happens in the spring. Now we are in the spring season. So if you look at the window, look for a rainbow after the rain, okay? When the rain is coming, when the sun is shining, go check out the window. You can see the rainbow, I'm sure. Very good. Well, now we know lots of things about the spring. We know the colors of the rainbow. We know that sometimes it's gonna rain in the spring. It's time for singing a song. How about me and you 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 sing a song together? Let's make a circle. Let's see it like a circle. Make a circle, make a circle. You know the song, right? Open, shut down. Open, shut down. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open, shut down. Open, shut down. Put them in your lap, lap, lap. Very good. Next one is big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Big, 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 small, small, small. Big and small. Big and small. Big, 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 small, small, small. Ding, 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 ding. The next one is Loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud, 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 loud. Shh, quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud and quiet. Loud, 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 loud. Shh, quiet. Fast and slow. Are you ready? Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. Fast and slow. Fast and slow. Fast, 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 fast. Slow, slow, slow. What's one more? Good morning and good night. Good morning, good night. Good morning, good night. Good morning, good morning. Good night. Good morning, good night. Good morning, good night. Good morning, good morning. Good night. Ding, 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 ding. Well done. Bravo to all of you. I have an idea. Let's make an airplane. Because an airplane can fly. We can make an airplane. And we can fly it in the sky. Are you ready? Are you ready? Me too. So, what do you need? You need a piece of paper. I will show you my paper. And that's it. You just want one paper, okay? So go get your paper and come back to me. Hi again. So we are gonna practice making some paper airplanes together. I today choose a pink paper with a white backside. So I want to start with the backside. Put your paper in front of you. Take the upper place of the paper and fold it back. Not so much, just a little much, okay? And press it with your hand. So now we have a type of square shape. This is something like the square. From this side, I put my finger on the middle of the top. Take this part in and fold it back inside. Then I press evenly with my finger. Look at here, I've got a triangle shape. You see that, right? So I put my finger on the top, on the center. Take the paper, fold it back in and press with my finger. You should be very careful, okay? Don't rush. Maybe you need your parents' help. Let them help you, okay? Oh, look. What does it look like? This is like a home. I made a home shape. It's a triangle and a rectangle together. Very nice. So I want to flip my paper to the side. Now you can see my home shape. I keep my finger on the center at the top. Take my paper and put them on each other. You see, they are on each other. And then I press with my finger. Make it even. Very good. So you see, in both sides, I have a nice shape. Then, from this part, I take here only one of these and fold it back. I come too much. You see, it's out of my paper. Then press, press. Let's do the same with the back side. Keep my finger here. Take the paper and put them on each other. Let them be so even and so good. That's it. We made our airplane together. I hope you enjoyed it. Very good. I hope you enjoyed making a paper airplane with me. So here is my airplane. You see that? This is very fun to do. And you can make an airplane too. Maybe you can ask for your mommy or for your daddy to help you. Okay? Because with the help, you can make a better thing. Then we can fly it in the home. Alright. Thank you for being here with me today. I had so much fun. It was so good to see you, and I hope that you come back to me again and we can play together, sing together, and make things together. Okay? So till the next time, see you!